नमस्कार मित्रांनो, आज आपण चौथ्या युनिटच्या शिक्षकांसह संभाषण म्हणजेच कॉन्व्हर्सेशन विथ द टीचर्सची विविध उद्दिष्टे जाणून घेणार आहोत. जसे स्टाफ रूम, क्लासरूम आणि प्रयोगशाळेत शिक्षकांशी संभाषण करणे, शिक्षकांना तुमच्या शंका आणि अडचणी विचारणे, गैरहजर राहण्याबद्दल शिक्षकांची परवानगी मागणे, शिक्षकांच्या प्रश्नांची उत्तरे देणे, स्टाफ रूममधून काहीतरी घेण्यासाठी शिक्षकांची परवानगी घेणे, स्टाफ रूममध्ये शिक्षकाची चौकशी करणे, असाइनमेंट सबमिट अथवा प्रस्तुत करण्याबद्दल बोलणे, तुमचे मूल्यांकन केलेले चाचणी पेपर दाखवण्याबद्दल विचारणे, तुला उशीर का झाला किंवा तुम्ही काल गैरहजर का होता या शिक्षकांनी विचारलेल्या प्रश्नांची विविध उत्तरे अथवा कारणे सांगणे, काही तातडीच्या कामासाठी आपल्या पालकांना भेटण्यासाठी वर्गाबाहेर जाण्यासाठी शिक्षकांची परवानगी घेणे, तुमची पूर्ण केलेली असाइनमेंट फाईल तपासण्यासाठी शिक्षकांना विनंती करणे, आजारपणामुळे तुम्हाला लवकर घरी जायचे असल्याने शिक्षकांना प्रॅक्टिकलच्या वेळी तुमची अनुपस्थिती माफ करण्याची विनंती करणे, निर्धारित वेळेत सादरीकरण करण्यास असमर्थता व्यक्त करणे आणि शिक्षकांना ते न चुकता करण्याचे आश्वासन देणे, शिक्षकांना परीक्षेच्या वेळी आवश्यक ती वस्तू उधार घेण्याची विनंती करणे कारण तुम्ही ती आवश्यक वस्तू आणण्यास विसरला आहात, पुढच्या वेळी परीक्षेच्या वेळी तुम्ही काही उधार घेणार नाही असे आश्वासन शिक्षकांना देणे, वैयक्तिक समस्येमुळे आंतरमहाविद्यालयीन वादविवाद स्पर्धेत अथवा कोणत्याही स्पर्धेत भाग घेण्यास असमर्थता व्यक्त करणे, शिक्षकांनी वर्गात असताना तुमचा मोबाईल जप्त केल्यामुळे त्यांची क्षमा मागा आणि पुढच्या वेळी ही चूक पुन्हा होणार नाही याची खात्री द्या, विविध परिस्थितींवर आधारित लँग्वेज स्टडी विभागात दिलेल्या वाक्यांचा सराव करा. लँग्वेज स्टडी विभागात दिलेली वाक्ये तुम्हाला ॲक्टिव्हिटी विभागात दिलेल्या परिस्थिती लिहिण्यासाठी संदर्भ म्हणून उपयुक्त ठरतील. धन्यवाद.
With the teachers in classroom, staff room and laboratory. Objectives. In this unit, you will learn to speak with your teachers in the classroom, staff room and laboratory, to ask your doubts and difficulties, to ask for leave, to answer their questions. Situations for practice. Situation 1.
Please may I come in, ma'am?
Yes, come in.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
May I take some chalks, please?
Yeah, it is kept there on the table. You may take it from there.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Have a good day.
Good day.
Situation 2.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, do you know where is Mrs. Pandey?
Sorry, I have no idea.
Okay, ma'am. I'll search for him somewhere else.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
Good day.
Situation 3.
Please may I come in?
Come in.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
May I submit my assignment today?
Yes, you may submit your assignment.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
Good day.
Situation 4.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Have you corrected our test papers? I'm from first year NDC.
Yes, I have checked your test papers.
Are you going to show it today?
Yes, during my lecture, I'll show you the papers.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
Yeah, good day.
Situation 5.
Please may I come in, ma'am?
Why are you late?
Ma'am, my bus was late.
My local was late.
I missed the bus, ma'am. Ma'am, I was caught in the traffic. My bike was punctured.
Ma'am, the major roads were closed for vehicle because of the Anandi Yatra.
Situation 6.
Why were you absent yesterday?
Ma'am, I was not feeling well.
Ma'am, I had slight fever. Ma'am, my grandfather expired yesterday.
Ma'am, I had gone for my cousin's wedding.
My sheet was not complete, so I was completing it yesterday.
Situation 7.
Ma'am, may I go out for 5 minutes? My father has come to meet me.
Yes, you may go.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Situation 8.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, my file was not corrected yesterday.
I checked all the files of your batch yesterday. How come your file is not checked?
Ma'am, my file was not complete.
Is it complete today?
Yes, ma'am.
Give it to me. Show me your file. Okay, I'll check it today.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome.
Situation 9.
Ma'am, I am not feeling well today.
What's wrong with you?
Ma'am, my stomach is paining. May I go home early today?
Yes, you may go home. Take rest for some time. And what lecture and practical do you have next?
Ma'am, I have your English practical from 4 to 6 p.m. So, will you excuse my absence?
Yes, you may go home.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Situation 10.
Ma'am, we are not ready with our technical presentation. We will prepare it and present it next time.
But I had already given you 1 week of extension. Why aren't you prepared now?
Ma'am, we had our second test last week, so we studied for it and didn't got time for preparing the presentation.
But what happens if you say again that you're not prepared?
No, ma'am, it will not happen. Trust us.
Okay, I'll give you one more chance. Be prepared by next week.
Thank you, ma'am.
Situation 11.
Ma'am, can I take calculator from my friend?
Why? Where is your calculator?
Ma'am, I forgot my calculator at home. Can I take calculator from my friend only for 10 minutes?
You are in the examination hall and you know that borrowing things in the examination hall is not valid. You should bring your own material when you come for the exam.
Sorry ma'am, I will take it only for 10 minutes.
Okay, you may take it, but from next time remember to bring your own calculator and other material.
Okay ma'am, I'll be careful from next time.
Okay.
Situation 12.
Ma'am, I am sorry to inform you that I am not able to participate in the intercollegiate debate competition.
Why? What is your problem?
My grandfather is serious and he is hospitalized in Satara.
Oh, very sorry to hear that.
So I have to go to Satara in the next week. So I am not able to participate in the competition.
But we have already sent the final list to the concerned authority. I don't think they'll make any last minute changes.
But ma'am, I can understand, but I can't help it.
Okay, I'll try to talk to the authorities and make some arrangement.
Okay ma'am, thank you.
Situation 13.
I confiscated your mobile because I caught you talking on the cell phone in the classroom.
I am extremely sorry ma'am, please return my mobile.
No, now I'll take this to the principal and your parents will be called.
Ma'am, please don't go so far. I will never do this mistake again.
Don't you know that use of cell phones in the classroom is strictly prohibited? It is an offense.
I know ma'am, but it's an urgent call from my mom, so I have to pick it. Please excuse me ma'am.
Okay, this time you're excused, but see that next time you do not use any cell phone in the classroom.
Okay ma'am.
Yeah, you may go now.
Thank you.
Language study. Instructions. Sentences to practice.
May I come in, sir?
Good morning, sir. May I take some chalks and a duster, please?
May I know where Deshpande ma'am is?
Is Professor Pandey on leave today?
Do you have any idea where he might be now?
Ma'am, have you checked our test papers? Are you going to show us the papers in class today?
Sir, I want to get my practical file signed. Will you please check it now?
Ma'am, I'm not feeling well today. May I go home early today? Will you please excuse my absence?
Sir, I did not understand this topic in the class. Will you please explain it to me now?
Ma'am, my parents have come to meet you. Will you please talk to them about my progress and performance in the class?
Sir, may I know the portion for the first test?
Sir, I was absent for the last lecture. Will you please explain to me the main points of the chapter? May I come to you in the lunch break?
Ma'am, is tomorrow a holiday?
Sir, I want your signature on this application. Will you please sign it?
Ma'am, I want to open a bank account. Will you please sign here as my introducer?
Sir, I was absent for the last practical. May I perform that practical today?
Sir, will you please check my readings of this experiment? Are they correct?
My readings are wrong, sir. I did not understand. Can you explain it to me once again?
Sir, I have lost my journal in the local.
Sir, my file is with my friend. He is absent today.
Sir, this machine is faulty and is not working properly.
Sir, my partner is absent today. May I do the experiment alone?
Sir, today I want to go to my hometown. I cannot do the practical today. Will you please excuse my absence?
Sir, my file is not corrected. Will you please check my file now?
There is no current today, so the practical cannot be performed today. Do we have an inverter in this laboratory?
Sir, My sheet is incomplete.
Sir, will you please check my sheet?
Sir, this drawing board is cracked. May I replace it?
ॲक्टिव्हिटी विभागात बोलणे आणि लेखन कौशल्य विकास अपेक्षित आहे. जसे गेल्या 1 महिन्यात तुम्ही स्टाफ रूममध्ये गेला होता अशी परिस्थिती लिहा आणि संभाषणाचा सराव करा. असे गृहीत धरा की तुमचे इंग्रजी शिक्षक उपस्थित आहे का याची चौकशी करण्यासाठी तुम्ही स्टाफ रूममध्ये जाता. त्यानंतरच्या संभाषणाचा सराव करा. तुमच्या वर्गातील विद्यार्थ्यांना काही संदेश देण्यासाठी तुमच्या इंग्रजी शिक्षकाने तुम्हाला स्टाफ रूममध्ये बोलावले आहे. तसे संभाषण लिहा आणि बोलण्याचा सराव करा. तुमची तब्येत ठीक नसल्यामुळे घरी जाण्यासाठी तुमच्या शिक्षकांची परवानगी घ्या आणि प्रॅक्टिकलसाठी तुमच्या गैरहजेरीबद्दल तुम्हाला क्षमा करण्याची विनंती करा. कृपया संवाद लिहा आणि ॲक्टिव्हिटी विभागात दिलेल्या सिच्युएशन्सच्या संभाषणाचा सराव करा. आपल्याला हे 4थे युनिट कसे वाटले हे कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये लिहायला विसरू नका व चॅनलला लाईक, शेअर, सबस्क्राईब नक्की करा. धन्यवाद.